What's up, guys? This time I'm going to show you how to cook this yummy and crunchy chicken schnitzel. Right, so I've got 3 chicken breasts here. I am going to chop them in half, just like so. And then after this process, I am going to flatten them using my rolling pin. I don't have a meat tenderizer, so I'm just gonna use my rolling pin. So this is just to make them even. And then after this, I am going to put some salt on both sides. Put them in the fridge for at least 10 to 15 minutes just to release the moisture out, and then take them out after that. We'll remove the salt using paper towel, and then we're gonna do the next step. We need 2 cups of breadcrumbs and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, and give it a mix. And then we are going to set this aside. So we also need 1 cup of plain flour, and we need 2 eggs as well. We are going to dip the chicken into the flour just like so. Then dip it into the egg, and then into the crumbs. After this process, we are going to put them back in the fridge and sit there for probably 5 to 10 minutes at least. Right, so this is now ready for frying. We are going to fry them in about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we need to flip them often. Look at that. It looks so delicious. Guys, you should try this. It's really yummy. This is so crunchy. And of course, I am going to taste it. Mmm, yum.